Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys a Haulmark we have on the ground. This one's a 2019 Haulmark 7x16+V, so this one's going to measure 7x18 in total length. This one also has the Colorado pack on it. We've upgraded some of the standard features that they come with to make them more user-friendly. This one does have the extra tall diamond plate rock guard on the front, plus an extended tongue, so you will have a good turning radius. And part of our Colorado pack is we add that cam bar to your lock, so it gives you guys that double lock protection right there. So you've got the RV lock and cam bar, gutter over that as well. Two 3,500-pound axles with brakes on all fours, aluminum wheels, and radial tires. Side vents with this unit, and then we also added stabilizer jacks underneath as part of that Colorado pack as well, so you guys can fold those down and have that extra stability when you're loading and unloading. Rear ramp door does come with a spring assist close. Now you also have a 7-foot interior height in here. We've upgraded some extra interior height, so it's good for RZRs and UTVs and side-by-sides. Now we also, with our Colorado pack, have added 4 D-rings to the floor, so you've got 4 D-rings for tie-down points. This is the amazing Drymax floor. This is an awesome product. It's water resistant. You guys don't have to worry about pulling in wet dirt bikes, wet RZRs, wet UTVs, or anything like that, and worrying about it warping and ruining your wood floors, because this product will not do that. It doesn't absorb the water or the moisture. So you've got one side vent back here, another side vent up there in that top left corner, so you'll get a little bit of natural ventilation through the trailer, which is good if you're hauling anything with fuel. LED interior light right there as well, and then you guys can see you've got the really nice white vinyl wall and ceiling liner in here. It finishes the trailer out. Keeps it really clean feeling. There's those 2 additional D-rings, and then you also have the back side of this RV lock that does have the lock, a latch, and a set of keys to it. So here it is. You guys are in the market for a new trailer. As always, we would love to earn your business. You can reach us at 303-688-8485, or you can view our inventory online anytime at coloradotrailersinc.com. We are a family-owned and operated business located in beautiful Castle Rock, Colorado, and be sure to like and subscribe.